The Weslo Cadence G5.9 treadmill is a budget-oriented treadmill that provides you with a sparse but functional workout experience. This is a good entry-level treadmill for people who are looking for good running, walking or jogging. From a design perspective, this model comes to you on a small size compared to other treadmills, so you can fit it wherever you want in your room. The footprint of this unit is just 64.5 inches in length and 29 inches in width, with a weight capacity of up to 275 pounds. In addition, this treadmill packs an LCD screen which sharply shows the distance you run, the calories burned, and your heart rate for the entire workout session. When it comes to performance, the G5.9 treadmill comes with 6 preset programs. These programs have been created by qualified personal trainers and are designed for specific outcomes such as weight loss and cardio endurance. Moving on, it also houses a 2.25 HP motor, which is a pretty good motor for a budget treadmill of this category. It allows you to get up to a top speed of 10 miles per hour. Moreover, this machine comes with the ultimate comfort cell cushioning feature, making it easier for you to walk, run or jog intensely without worrying about the adverse impact on your joints. In general, you should consider this treadmill as your next purchase because of its low price, functionality, and because it is a space saver. My only remark regarding this product is that the Weslo Cadence is a bit noisy to operate. This is due to the fact that it has a thin belt, plastic parts, and no joint ceilings. This may not be a problem for some. For instance, if you decide to put it in a gym with the music and other voices, you wouldn't notice, but nonetheless, it's just my personal opinion. To conclude, if you're looking for a budget-oriented entry-level treadmill that packs many interesting features and performs fantastically, then you should definitely take this treadmill into consideration, and we assure you that you won't regret your decision.